Good morning and welcome to my channel. I'm doing a quick flip through of the ocean journal that I've made, and I have made two of them. Been making one off camera, however I haven't quite finished that one, and that's this one. Very similar, just different pages. There were so many pages in this kit by Paperomia that I ended up making two. These are the darker pages, whereas these are the more paler white and blue papers. These are the more that have got, as you can see, a lot of colour on them, etc. Both will be available in my Etsy shop. So first, this one is the one we did the cover for, and I've tied it up with some sari silk. And then on the side here, I've got some lace and some charms. Whoops, here. Tortoise shell, and then there's some pieces of lace throughout the journal. And we start off on the first page. It's quite a chunky one, as I said. I'm hoping I'm getting all this in camera. I've put in some vintage book plates that you can actually write on the back with. These are from an encyclopedia from 1896 that I picked up, and some playing cards that I picked up at a charity shop, and these ones are all about fish or the sea. Page from the kit. She does design some gorgeous kits. There's a new one out at the moment called Celeste that I'm really tempted with. She's done some, they are a couple of sisters who are extremely young, 17 and 19 years old. Kaata is the, I hope I've pronounced that right, is the young girl that I deal with. And as I say, pop along to their KoFi shop and see what's going on with the kits they've got. Now this and these are just little pieces for you to decorate. I haven't glued this down, so that you could also use this envelope in for journaling. And you'll see throughout some of the pieces that I made using the templates from the kit as well. Hoping to bring it down a bit, maybe. That's it. This is some ledger paper. Again, there are pieces in here that aren't from the kit as well that I've used, but I think majority of all of this is a tag. This was the piece that came out of the template for the big tall slide you'll see in shortly. I've backed some of them in the blue paper that I've dyed using my printer inks, and this is a little tuck spot there, and another little card here. And these are my ocean words that are available in my shop as well. Page from the kit, as you can see, it's gorgeous. This was from one of the templates we had that we used, and I made a tag. And then here, this opens out. I'll pull that off. I've got some other things underneath on the other side though. This opens out for some journaling space. And then here I have a paint chip card, paint sample card from another encyclopedia I've got, like a dictionary one, fish, and then some mark making, or again some colour samples I've used, and they just pin on there. They are stapled together, but you could pull them apart. This is from a watercolour book, and I've just put a small tag in there, give it a bit of interest. Page from the kit, some handmade paper, and then here I have the tall slide, and in this this is one of the half pages with the mermaid. That's backed in tea dye paper. Some fussy cut from the kit, and one of my ocean quotes. The sea, once it casts its spell, holds one in its net of wonder forever. Jacques Cousteau. Another page from the kit with some lace. This is a flip out. I've just covered this. Another quote. And inside here, I've just got a card. I haven't done anything with this because I've got a few pieces in here that you can use. I thought that they may like to, whoever has this may like to decorate it themselves. And that's just a journal card slotting in there with some vintage book page, sort of a little collage on it. And then this is just another journal card. And what I've done, I've used pieces of the paper that I've had left over. A pocket we made with one of the templates, and this I can't remember where it came from. I want to say it was either Cara Brandon or Graphics Fairy. Printed onto tracing paper, page from the kit. I've not put anything in here because the photos are all of the underwater. I thought somebody again might want to decorate it or put some things in there. The blue dyed paper, and this is an envelope that I made myself with my long envelope maker from We Are Memory Keepers, and just a small journal card, whoops, in there as well. But you can see there's places to journal in, and as well as allowing you to do some decoration as well. Some script, and I put a belly band here, and in here I've added these two charms on the sides so you can pull it out like that. It's a large belly band, I know, for the page, but I also felt that again it was a strip from one of the pages that I thought went quite well. Page from the kit, the double page, center page, and in the center I do have, whoops, a couple of charms there, octopus and a starfish hanging down. One of the tool pockets we made with the tag in, with some collage on that I've done, and a quote, ocean quote down there. These corner pockets came with the kits, and so did these tags, so I've used them. Small tiny envelope, there's nothing in it, I haven't done anything with it. And then here is just a journal card with one of the mermaids again. These are all made out of the pages from the kit, these ones. I decorated here because there was nothing much here, and this, I really don't know where these came from. I found them in my stash and thought they were great as backgrounds. I've used some of the fussy cuts from the kit, and then these are some of the stamps that come with the kit. I haven't enlarged them, they come that size. I've left that one. Page from the kit, this is the tracing, the tracing paper, the other side of that encyclopedia, and these are some page edges I found, and I thought, right, need to use them up, and I thought they went quite well with this. Page from the kit, handmade paper from the kit again, and this is the other side, and I've just clipped a tag onto there. The other side of the tea dye paper, page from the kit. This is one of the turned up pages, and this is again one of those file folder things we made, and I've got a little tag in there. I will link that video below showing you how to use the templates that come with the kit as well. Oops. Okay, I can't get that back on for now, too fiddly, and it's hot and my hands are sticky. This came with the kit as well, so I just made a long tall tag. This is one of the kits, the stamps, and this, again, it's one of those sheets I found in my stash. This came from the Graphics Fairy. In fact, all of this came from the Graphics Fairy, and I've just put it together, aimed to be amazing. I thought it went with the whole theme. This I've covered in paper from the kit, and it's envelopes. Now I got sent this in a swap, just plain white, so I've covered them and just put some of the ephemera from the kit in here. like this really neat way of having some pockets. It was full of ATC cards I did a swap with, but I thought it went quite well in this. Now I covered it and used it. I've also put rusted pins throughout with some netting on. Tool page from the kit, and we come to the end where I've got again a long journal card with a stingray on it, and again it's made from the pages from the kit. So that's the journal. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and the notification bell, as this all helps with my channel and the algorithm on YouTube. Many thanks. Bye.